Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete scheduled payments in Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up our Revolut application and then log into your account. Let me log into mine. I'm just going to do that. Okay, so once you have already logged into your account, so for example, if you have any scheduled payments or recurring payments that you wish to cancel, so all you have to do now here is simply go to your wallets option here, wallets tab here, or you can go click on the hub tab here and then click on your wallets option as well. So you can do that too. So either way you can go for it, and then what you can do here is you can, let's say, have a open up your vault, so that something that you have so when you have a warp here, so now what you're going to do, you're going to have an option here called automatic transfers, which is an automatic transactions that will have automatic transaction has been set up. So you have the option here, recurring transfers. So if you want to cancel it or stop it, so what you have to do, you just hit on this, turn that off. So are you sure you want to pause it? So just click on pause it. So that will stop the recurring payment or the scheduled payment. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.